How to create 3D Shopify store. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a 3D Shopify store. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a comprehensive cloud-based e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create, customize, and manage their own online stores without needing advanced technical skills. It also provides an intuitive interface for setting up product listings, processing secure payments, and managing orders and inventory, all within a single dashboard. And Shopify also offers a wide range of professional themes and apps enabling users to enhance their store's designs, add specialized features, and scale their business as it grows, with the built-in marketing tools, seamless integration, and reliable hosting. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description or the start for free button on the top right corner right here. And from here, you can sign in using your email address, Apple ID, Facebook, or Google account. Once done, you'll automatically be directed on this homepage or dashboard of Shopify. And now from here, to proceed creating a 3D online store, just go to Add Apps button in here by clicking this plus button. And on this pop-up window, just click Shopify App Store. Once done, you will automatically be directed on this page. And from here, kindly search on the search bar 3D Store. And upon searching on it, you should be able to see a variety of results. But in those options, kindly proceed by choosing the first one, which is this Odyssey 3D Virtual Store. So kindly click on it. And upon doing so, you should see here all of the overview about this application, including the pricing, in which they offer a free plan, and also this overview right here that offers to create a free 3D virtual store with your existing 2D store. But before that, make sure to already have a product that has been added to your online store. So upon visiting my online store in here, I don't have any product at the moment. So to add one, just go to the product section on the left side panel. And in here, click add product and fill out all of the required information that includes the title, the description, the media file, the category, the price, the weight of it, and many more. Once done, just click the save button to proceed. So as you can see, I'm entering here to create or add this iPhone 15 Pro Max an example. You could also use to create an AI generated description if you want to, or you can simply input it manually below. And now after successfully adding the products in here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply install the Odyssey application in here to create a 3D model of our online store. Then from here, just click again the install button to successfully start installing it directly in our Shopify. Once done, you should be able to be directed on a page in which the next thing that you need to do is to simply select here the plan that they offer. So from here, you can click Get Started button under Odyssey, and by doing so, simply fill out the required information or choose your answer ready to hear about us. So kindly click the Submit button once done. And after that, in here, just simply choose the plan as you can see. We have here the free plan and also the Forge or Pro Lite in here with the corresponding benefits or feature. I'm going to choose the free plan. Then proceed by simply uploading here the logo of your business or online store in here. Now at this point, I'm just going to simply add a random logo as an example. And below under tagline, you can simply input here any kind of tagline about your business. But in here, I'm just going to simply enter an example. Your dream phone is here. Then proceed by clicking Save Changes button below. By doing so, the next thing that you need to do is simply choose a space. But that depends on the kind of industry your business in. Now at this point, I'm just going to simply select here this one. You can click the preview button to see what it looks like before successfully adding it in our online store. By simply clicking the preview, all you need to do is to wait for it to load, in which it may take some time depending on your internet connection in here. So as you can see, it is currently being loaded, and it will automatically apply all of the details, and that includes your logo and also your product that you are selling. You have here the logo on the center, and also you can move toggle on like this joystick right here to move and see the surrounding. So as you can see, we're currently in a 3D model of this store. So this is basically what it looks like. But since we only have one product added, there are only one product added on each frame in here. Or you can even choose your own space in here, depending on your preferences as well. But at this point, I'm going to select this one. By doing so, it will automatically show you how you can start adding the 3D models or the 3D store in your Shopify online store. For the step 1, when you click this button right here, you'll automatically be directed on your online store, and it will show you how you can get started. Once done in here, all you need to do is to simply proceed by choosing the next button, and after that, the step 2 is to simply choose your preferred section where you want to simply add the Odyssey 3D model of your online store. So kindly click the next button. Once again, it will show you the step-by-step process. So now let's start doing it. Is simply choosing here, for example, we're going to enter add section. Then choose the apps tab right here and click this 3D shop. By doing so, it will automatically be pop up right here or uploaded. So you can click this button to experience the 3D online store being added. So this is basically what the customer will see. But since we only have a one product on our catalog or inventory, we could also add more to make the 3D online store more interactive, since it only showcases one product as you can see. Now to do it, all you need to do is to simply go back again on your Shopify. But before that, let's start previewing what the customer will see once they try to browse our website. So can you click this online store. From here, it will show you what it looks like. By clicking this button, all you need to do is wait for it to load, since it will automatically being loaded right here. As I said earlier, it may take some time depending on your internet connection. And after that, this is basically what the customer will see. Since we only have one product, it is only one product available on any of this frame. And using the joystick, we can start moving around, look up and down, side by side, to see the overview of this 3D online store. But since it's quite boring, we're going to add our products again on the left side panel. Just click add product on the top right. Just fill out again the required information, and that includes the title, description, media, and many more. As you can see, I just simply added here 17 Pro Max, and I'm going to enter a description about it, and even the price, the inventory section, shipping, and many more. And now once added, we can simply refresh our online store right here and click again this one to see what it looks like or the changes that has been added. And after that, you should be able to see here that we have now only 2 products that has been added. So basically, the importance of using 3D on Shopify is that its ability to create a more immersive, engaging, and informative shopping experience for customers. It displays the products in 3D. Shoppers can rotate, zoom, and view items from all angles. It also boosts the confidence of customer and elevates the overall professionalism and credibility of the online shopping experience. And overall, that is just how you can create 3D Shopify store. Thank you.